Well, we did chores. We're gonna go home now and chow down on some hot dogs. And hopefully by tomorrow morning this will have gone away, this storm. It's been pretty bad. I think we had we had one storm, a big one in the beginning of winter. That was a pretty good one. Then we just got a little snow here and there, got warm, snow here and there again, and then now this one. But I know it sounds short, but man, this winter has been long for me. I've said it before, I guess, but you can tell it's slowed down because the roads are much better. Much better. I guess if it wasn't for the snowbanks, you wouldn't know where the sides of the roads were, I guess. Except for the tree lines here and there, but you could still go in the ditch. And pretty much up here in the country, or at least up here, the ditches are big. You go in them, you're not coming out usually. Just that way, dude. Anyway, I just wanted to film the storm of the century here. Got dumped on hardcore, and try out this camera. I had it set up on the seat, fell down. Look at this, man. I hope the camera picks it up good, though, because this is... this is the road. It's pretty nasty. All I'd focus on is that strip in the middle, because the snow drifts on the left side of the vehicle. And my truck here they're pretty big. That rumbling sound is, there was a tractor that had come through here and it's actually rumbling on them. It's like rumble strips. I'll try to, again, film the wagon tomorrow. That'll be fun. I think that's going to come tomorrow, so they're not going to want to leave it in their freight house down in trucking, whatever trucking terminal has it. They want to get it out. So I'll get that. Probably the other two pieces of equipment are around here too, I imagine. Yeah, this has been something. So anyway, I'm back at the house, and so I'll try to get this up maybe tonight if I can figure it out. I'll catch up with you guys. Well, maybe you can get a better perspective of the storm here we had. You can see the banks. I'm gonna head over to the barn. It's time to do chores. But we had quite a storm. See my satellite dish there. Anyway, the weather is better now. I guess the snow is going to stick around though, even though it's like middle of March. They're saying that it's going to stay cold for a while. See the banks. Even the crows got to land in the road. Yeah, you know, I mean, we had a good, I don't know, up here, probably, I guess, between 25 and 30 inches up here. You know, the total of the storm, then yesterday we just got hammered with lake effect on top of it, and well, it was pretty nasty. Still cold, but it's got to get around now. Well, today, now that the storm has gone, I guess these trucking companies will be able to get up here, and I might hopefully get a call on from one of them, and my wagon will come, my dump wagon. So I'd like to get that put together, haul it all, because they're going to bring it back to where I live, and that, and so basically I'll have to haul it on over here to the barn where I can put it together. It'll be a good spot for it anyway, because I can haul manure with it, and I gotta drive my tractor over here soon. I'm hoping maybe even this weekend. Oh, a lot going on, really. I gotta get manure hauled out. Well, they took that guy's mailbox down. Well, she's out walking. She always goes out walking. You know. That girl, I don't know who she is. I've got to get that wagon put together. I've got to get the manure. The pens are getting full now. We got to go get hay. Good Lord. And we came up with a recipe for a lotion now, so we've got bottles on order for that, and that's exciting too. Actually, I've wanted to get a lotion going with our soap products because I think it's important. After your bath, shower, whatever, you know, a lot of people want to just, you know, put some lotion on, and this is going to be good. It's going to be goat soap lotion. Wonderful. I love it. So we got to get doing that. I got so many things. Oh my God. Here comes the spring, and I mean, although right now it don't look like spring's coming, but hopefully in the next 2 weeks we'll start seeing some warmer weather. I got a burial coming up that's got to get done. So there's a lot of things going on. Don was over this morning before he left for his job. Did clean the barn out with the plow. I'm pretty sure he did. Yeah, he was here. Driveway is getting pretty narrow. Yeah, he's a nice spot here for us, so he does a good job. Cleans it right up. But when we're here at the barn, like I said, we've got a ton of crap that's got to go. I mean, tons. The snow has really hampered a lot of things. I was over here where the goats go outside. I got to put some pen gates up, which won't take long, but I got to get that done so the goats can go outside here in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Barn's got to be cleaned, which won't take too long as I can get at it. Ton of snow. I got to see if I can get around the back. I'd like to with this truck, but I don't know if I can. Even though it's got 4-wheel drive, it's still pretty deep. I don't want to get stuck back there. I guess I better get my tractor over here and clean things up. It's the only thing I can think of doing. That's gonna be a nice cold drive. I guess I got to get a cab. You know, there's a lot of things that that's one thing that stops me from driving over here is just, you know, when it's 0 out, you know, you got to drive what I just drove from my house to the barn. I know I don't live on this property. I know I live over there. It's where my residence is. I like it there. And we have another farm that's really close to the house anyway, so that'll start getting going here this year. But yeah, I've got to get a cab, I'm pretty sure. That's some money spent, but we'll see what I can do. I'm going to get in there and get doing chores, and I'll get back with you.